We had a major storm come in about 5 o'clock in the evening, and it came with some very strong straight line winds, and it took out our warehouse facility where we would store our seed and our chemical in. The whole building, the whole roof was gone, the walls were down.
It deposited most of it on the other side of the buildings, and we're left with just the offices left.
We needed to have a new chem facility. We had outgrown our old facility, and we knew that with the chance to rebuild, that this was our opportunity to expand at that time.
We sat down, Chris and I did, with his team in one of our other boardrooms, and it's got a big whiteboard, and we actually drew this thing by hand. Doug came in and took down notes, what we wanted, and brought back a plan. The original drawings, when we started looking at it, we were only going to do 8 tanks, and then we ended up adding 2 more, so we did 10 tanks. I was surprised on the readiness they were. When we had a request, they got them in, and they got them back to us pretty quickly.
The 3D drafting part with all that worked out very, very well for us, especially with all the other contractors that we had and the different hands that are involved with it all. You could just send them a copy of all, and they knew the vision of what we were looking for. With the technology with it now, all the farm plans and all the growers' names are in there, their jobs are in there. Now I can just have one guy doing it all. We don't have to go chasing to the salesman and say, what do we need? What do we need here? What do we need here? We're gonna go from wasting an hour filling totes, they can be in and out here in 15 minutes.
So instead of taking in half loads, we can take in full loads, and that helps us out immensely. You don't have to take a partial or wait till the tank is down all the way to the bottom before you can even bring in chemical. Everybody that has come through here is amazed. And in fact, one of our guys comes in every time he comes here, he comes and looks to see what's different. I think the ease of doing business with FarmChem was great for us. The response was pretty spot on when we did have questions or asks, and the outcome, it speaks for itself.
Everybody was great to work with, and it's a nice, neat, clean system. We really put together a very nice system.